Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
New Delhi, National Testing Agency, NTA, has released the NCHM JEE Result 2023 today, 7th June. Candidates who took the National Council of Hotel Management Joint Entrance Exam 2023 can now download their NCHM JEE scorecard from the official website NCHM JEE. NIC. In. The NCHM JEE exam 2023 was conducted in a computer-based test, CBT, mode on 14th May 2023. And the answer key was issued on 22nd May 2023. Candidates were given enough time to raise objections against the provisional answer key, and the last date to submit objections was 24th May 2023. Candidates will be required to enter their login details such as application number and date of birth at the official portal to access the NCHM JEE 2023 result. Simple steps can be followed by candidates to download the NCHM JEE 2023 scorecard online, or they can click on the direct link provided below in the article. How to download NCHM JEE Result 2023? Step 1. Visit the official website at NCHM JEE. NIC. In Step 2, click on the NCHM JEE 2023 scorecard link available on the home page. Step 3. A new login window will open. Enter your login details and submit. Step 4. Your NCHM JEE Scorecard 2023 will be displayed on the screen. Step 5. Download the same and get its hard copy for further use. Direct link. Download NCHM JEE Scorecard. NCHM JEE Exam 2023 was conducted for admissions to Bachelor of Science in Hospitality and Hotel Administration in NCHM affiliated IHMs. For further steps in the process of admission, candidates are advised to keep checking the official website regularly, as they will be notified of all the updates there only. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.